Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from...
Japan!
That's right, this box is an Umai crate from Japan Crate. It's from Japan. If you go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, you can get a nice little discount. So let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Ooh! Alright, so when you get one of these Umai crates, the first thing you're going to see is this informative pamphlet. It's got information about how to cook, what kind of varieties these are, and everything about these instant noodles and other products that are contained within. If you don't know how to read Japanese or how to decipher the pictograms on the side of the instant noodle packaging, and you lose this, you're going to be in trouble. So don't lose this. You also get a beautiful and fashionable, I might add, recipe card. Alright, so I'm going to go through each one of these and tell you a little about it. Alright, first off, we've got a variety by Sakurai Foods out of Japan. This is their vegetarian shoyu ramen. This range I've reviewed before. There's the shoyu. There's also a soy milk variety, which is absolutely excellent. Yeah, good stuff, vegetarian, great company. I really like these guys, so cool pick. So here we have it's called Udon Dape. I don't recognize the brand. I know I've had this before. The noodles are kind of crimped. It's an interesting style of noodle, so yeah, this is a good one. I'm pretty sure they generally put good stuff in these boxes, so yeah. Next up from Marashan, we have a Kitsune Udon. Kitsune udon generally features a nice big slab of fried tofu, which is sweet and adds a nice element to the meal. Usually it has kind of a bonito broth kind of thing going on. Yeah, it's not bad. Next up, we've got some okayu seaweed. It says here that it's a porridge. Porridge is pretty prevalent. When you go to Asian groceries, you might see little things that say porridge on them. You might find a chicken porridge or a seafood porridge. Definitely something to check out. It's like they make like instant rice, dry it out and grind it up, and then you add the stuff to it and it springs it back to life. So pretty cool. Next up, one from Kenko Foods. They like these guys. This is their miso ramen. They're known for, at least they mention all the time that these are especially healthy or at least less unhealthy. They've got, 100% vegetable oil. So I don't know how healthy that is or whatnot, but it's made of vegetables, the oil that's in there. And generally, their varieties are pretty tasty, so cool. And then here's one from Itomen. This is sauce yakisoba. Basically, it's yakisoba with a sauce and dry noodle. If you've never had yakisoba, you're going to love this. It's hard not to love yakisoba. And here's one from Daikoku. This is their Chikara Udon noodle. This is a big bowl. I think the Chikara ones are varieties that generally it's kind of like there's Chanko, which is popular with the sumo wrestlers. So this is a big bowl, a lot of food, and yeah. Finally got this non-cup Kitsune Udon. I don't know what's up with this non-cup stuff. It's not in a cup. We can say that much at least. I've tried a couple varieties and they're all right. So yeah, interesting to find a pack variety because obviously it is not in a cup. So now it's time for the bonus item. This month's bonus item is Momi Nori seaweed. This seaweed is made by making seaweed into small pieces and is mainly used for topping noodles like soba and udon and several rice bowls. So I'm wondering if this is, yeah, it looks like they're in little strips. No, they're in like little shreds. Interesting. Yeah, so cool. Definitely something that's useful for a garnish. All right, so in the March 2021 Umai crate, you get seaweed, big bowl of udon, kitsune udon, udon dape, something not in a cup, sase yakisoba, miso ramen, a little bit of porridge, vegetarian shoyu, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching, and thank you to Japan Crate for shooting this over. If you want to get a box like this, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for that discount. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Me.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Everything.
Have a good one.
Bye.